What's up friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your images into black and white in your Miro design. Now as you can see right here I have an image on my design and it's currently in black and white. So I'm going to press a few Control Z here and you can see that my image is now in color. So how do I do that? If you're working on your Miro board on your design and you would like to turn a colorful image into black and white, all you have to do is click on the image and click on the pencil icon at the top from these options. The pencil icon is going to allow you to edit the image. This is going to open up within the Powered by Adobe Express, as you can see here inside Miro. Now, all you have to do now to change the image to black and white is to click on where it says effects from the left hand side. So you have edit and you have effects. You click on effects and it's going to give you some color options here. One of them is grayscale, and so you just need to change it to grayscale. So click on this and you will see that it now changes your image into black and white. Now click and save, then click and save again, and it's going to save the project and change the image into black and white for you. And that's it guys. So that's how you go ahead and change your image into black and white on Miro. Very easy and very simple.